As a young professional, I work with a lot of government bodies, not-for-profits, think tanks, and corporates. Across this impact sectors, what I observed is that the major focus was on providing quality of education. And now, providing quality of education for people and students who have means and access to it is one thing, but providing the same quality of education to communities around them is an incredible thing, according to me. And Inventure is doing that really amazingly. Through wider world, what we are trying to achieve is sensitize and equip students with the empathy that is needed to be a positive change agent wherever they are on this planet. Through my time at Inventure, personally, I believe in this quote which says, education is the manifestation of perfection already by man, which keeps reminding me that perfection is not an end goal, but a constant process. So that's what I'm manifesting for myself. And through my time in Inventure, I want to spread that to everyone.